guys, it's Miss Morgan, and today we're working on adding integers. To add integers with the same sign, we simply add our integers and keep the sign. So, two positives will give you a positive sum, and two negative integers will give you a negative sum. Now, to add integers with different signs, first we want to find the difference of the absolute values of each integer, remembering that the absolute value is the distance from 0. Then, the sum has the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. So we see which integer has the greater absolute value, and we keep that sign on our sum. So let's look at our example.